Hello my bunnies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious lemonade cupcakes. So it's summer, both me and my boyfriend have been craving like lemon related things, so I thought that this was perfect timing. So let's get started. Oh, and before I get into it, I wanted to let you know that the actual cupcake base recipe is actually my grandmother's recipe. I actually never met her because she passed away before I died, but this is her lemon loaf recipe, so it's been passed down through my family and it is fabulous. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for you guys to try it. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, so first we're gonna bake the cupcakes. You wanna mix together 2 tablespoons of sugar and some lemon juice in a small bowl and set that aside. Place some butter in a large bowl and beat with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. Add some sugar and mix well. Then add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. And I have all the ingredients and quantities listed in the description box down below. Sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt in a bowl, and then add this to the butter mixture in 2 additions, alternating with some milk. Then add some lemon zest and fully combine. Pour the batter into a lined cupcake pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the cakes are fully cooked. Remove the pan from the oven, and while the cupcakes are still hot and still in the cupcake pan, drizzle that sugar and lemon mixture from step 1 on top. Then allow the cupcakes to fully cool, and so the liners might get a little bit juicy and wet. So what I did at the end is place them in another cupcake liner just so that when you handle it, it's not all sticky. Then to make the lemon buttercream, you want to place some butter and sugar in a large bowl and beat with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. Add some lemon zest, lemon extract, and lemon juice and mix well. Then add some yellow food coloring to dye the buttercream yellow. Place the buttercream into a piping bag fitted with a large round piping tin. To decorate, pipe a ring of buttercream onto the top of each cupcake. Combine a mix of yellow and white sprinkles in a bowl, then dunk the cupcakes into the sprinkles so that the entire ring of buttercream is covered in sprinkles. Spoon some lemon curd into the middle of each buttercream ring because we're making this extra lemony. Then pipe a swirly dollop of buttercream on top of the buttercream ring. Then just decorate with a little paper straw, a lemon jujube, a gumball, and a starburst, and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. I also want to let you know that there are new items available in my collection with the NAACP Legal Defense Fund on Teespring. I'll link that down below. It's important to continue to donate money, not just when it's like trending on social media. It's important to do it all the time. So yeah, if you haven't checked it out yet, definitely take a look. If you checked it out and you want to see what's new, take a look as well. I'll, again, the link is down below. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you on next week for a new video. Bye.